Hi, it's Maya from My Country Mobile. In today's video, we will see advantages of VoIP. Over the years, many forms of technology have been developed to assist companies in streamlining their operations and achieving business goals more efficiently and economically. It's no surprise that businesses today expect to have access to a global communication medium that is more accessible and affordable, thanks in large part to the explosion of mobile and wireless technology. VoIP is the answer. VoIP allows companies to use the internet for their telephone calls. VoIP converts voice communications into digital packets that can be delivered over the internet. Although VoIP technology is not new, businesses all over the world are adopting it. They have seen major advantages in terms of security, flexibility, savings, and increased productivity. Companies can use modern VoIP software to bypass the phone companies and their increasing service fees for fixed-price internet users. VoIP software basically provides unlimited telephone calls all over the world.
Visit My Country Mobile and get a free 30 days trial now.